Hi everyone, want to create next-gen cinematic games with high-end photorealistic graphics? Today we are deploying a clean Unreal Engine workspace to lock in your world-building tools for zero cost. Let's prep your AAA development environment right now. Grab Launcher package from the link below to get started. The moment you execute it, the utility pulls down the central ecosystem management files directly onto your drive. Perfect, the baseline launcher is integrated. Now, let the configuration layout download the main engine build, mapping out your target platforms and shader packages in a flash. Let's fire up the browser panel to view the project dashboard. Initialize a new template project right away to ensure the default environment setup compiles with zero lag. Your high-end game production engine is completely calibrated, verified, and ready to compile shaders. Head over to our webpage right now to secure your installation files and start creating like a boss.